This is me about to drive the RC car I just spent the last month building. But how fast will it go? One design decision that I had to make was how the car would steer. I found 3 designs on the internet: this rack and pinion, this design, and this one. And I ended up choosing this one because it looked cool and pretty simple. First, I got this HDPE plastic for the chassis of the car. The servo you see here is going to be used for the steering. I then 3D printed these little brackets to hold the ball bearings inside the steering knuckles. And this is what the finished steering looked like. In order to create the motor mounts, I cut 2 pieces out of this block of wood. I then screwed in each motor. At this point, the car was almost done. All I needed was the electronic speed controllers.
Eventually.
The first problem I encountered was that my ESCs didn't fit with my motor, and I decided to just tape them together, hoping that it would work. I also added these Velcro straps for the batteries. Problems started to occur when I turned the car on for the first time. See, the motors would work when they were off the ground. However, when they were on the ground, the car wouldn't move. At least the steering worked. This had me pretty confused for a while, so I decided to learn how to solder and solder the connections together instead of taping them. I then proceeded to create the worst soldering job in human history. But even after all of that, the car still wouldn't move more than a couple inches. So I decided to ditch these ESCs altogether and use the plain ESCs I had on my previous build. And the car started to work. And then I crashed into a wall and broke off a wheel. This made me realize I probably needed brakes, so I modeled this little piece in Fusion 360, printed it out, and then attached it to a servo. But how fast could it really go? This parking spot was 128 inches across. And this is what the timestamps were on the video I recorded. After that test, 3 of the wheels fell off, but as a whole, I'd say this car was a success.